Imagine you live in a very average home in a very dull suburb in a boring town. Things could be better, but you get by. Sometimes you have service delivery problems, maybe a power failure. The aging infrastructure has been patched up for years. Actually, you have a dream. It's more than a move from your frustrating neighborhood. It is courageous, dramatic, and life-changing. You dream of owning a home which is smart. It generates its own electricity and has sensors and climate controls. Appliances will be controlled remotely. You can turn on your lights before you get home and even get your coffee machine to have a fresh cup ready for you. It is insulated and efficient. In other words, green. The infrastructure will be monitored remotely by experts and be fixed without you realizing they could have been failed. Oh yes, you also want an infinite view. No restrictions. You want to see everything. You know your dream home is much more complex than an ordinary house, so the best thing to do would be to bring the dream to a civil engineering firm with experience and great project management skills. This firm will oversee and govern all parts of the project. Another activity that has to follow the entire house project is quality control. The quality of the installation needs to be inspected and approved by the installers and signed off by the project manager at the end of each step. There are so many different professionals and tradesmen working on your house enhancement. They are not understanding the project the same way. Misunderstandings are bound to happen. They can be costly in both time and money. All the terms used in the communication have to be clarified. When a structure is referred to, everyone knows it is the building and not an organizational structure. Documents such as plans, spreadsheets, contracts, emails, invoices and receipts are created on an ongoing basis. They all need to be catalogued and filed for easy retrieval by anyone needing them. Your dream house not only needs to have advanced technology and be energy efficient, it must also be structurally well designed with artistic flair. An architect visualizes your dream, draws a plan and makes a scale model. In your house's case, this model may have to be used to test the house for wind. Your dream house is situated in a challenging position. The architect has drawn a plan which requires enhancement by a civil engineer who understands the technical stresses and forces. The civil engineer solves problems such as the reinforcement of the foundations and works out the strength of the required materials. The civil engineer makes it possible to build the architect's model. There is so much to buy for a building project. A quantity surveyor is a professional who understands architecture, engineering and accounting. The quantity surveyor works out all the different quantities and prices of all the different types of materials needed. Your house has many specialized features alongside conventional facilities. It needs many tradesmen to do their specialized installations. There are builders, plumbers, electricians, carpenters, as well as those who install and monitor sensors, the smart thermostat, the off-the-grid power supply, the Wi-Fi connections, and much more. Once construction is complete, the big switch on takes place. All the features need to be thoroughly tested before the project manager can sign them off. Unfortunately, there is always a need for security. The undesirable people need to be kept away. Guards, beams, dogs, and an electric fence may work for an ordinary building site, but this is no ordinary development. Your 21st century data house gets genuine space-age security. Your smart dream house has many sensors which regularly send readings to a data lake, where all sorts of analytics reports are generated to show how the house's smart systems are operating. What a big project! The result, however, is magnificent. The intelligence of the house and your unrestricted and infinite view reveal not only how limited your previous home was, but make faraway cities accessible with new and exciting opportunities.